Welcome back, everybody. We're going to start back off with part 3 today. We're picking up on definitions. The definition starting today is going to be a dead front. It says, without live parts exposed to a person on the operating side of the equipment. Demand factor: the ratio of the maximum demand of a system or part of a system to the total connected load of a system or the part of the system under consideration. Device: a unit of an electrical system that carries or controls electric energy and as its principal function. Disconnecting means a device or group of devices or other means by which the conductors of a current can be disconnected from the source of supply. Dust tight: constructed so the dust will not enter the enclosing case under specified test conditions. Duty: continuous operation at a substantially consistent load for an indefinitely long time. Intermediate duty: operation for alternate intervals of 1. Load and no load, or 2. Load and rest, or 3. Load, no load, and rest. Periodic duty: intermittent operation in which the load conditions are regularly recurrent. Short time duty: operation at a substantially consistent load for a short, indefinite specified time. Varying duty: operation at loads and for intervals of time, both of which may be subject to wide variations. One family dwelling: a building that consists solely of one dwelling unit. Two family dwelling: a building that consists solely of two dwelling units. Multifamily dwelling: a building that contains 3 or more dwelling units. Dwelling unit: a single unit providing complete and independent living facilities for one or more persons, including permanent provisions for living, sleeping, cooking, and sanitation. Electric sign: a fixed, stationary, or portable, self-contained, electrically illuminated utilization equipment with words or symbols designed to convey information or attract attention. Electric power production and distribution networks. Power productions, distributions, and utilization equipment and facilities such as electric utility system that delivers electric power to the connected loads that are internal to and not controlled by an interactive system. Enclosed: surrounded by a case, housing, fence, or walls that prevents persons from accidentally contacting energized parts. Enclosed, the case or housing of apparatus or the fence or walls surrounding an installation to prevent personnel from accidentally contacting energized parts or to protect the equipment from physical damage. Fire prevention note says see table 110.20 for examples of enclosure types. Energized, electrically connected to or is a source of voltage, a general term including materials, fittings, devices, appliances, luminaries, apparatuses, machinery, and the light used as a part of or in connection with an electrical installation. Explosion-proof apparatus. Apparatus enclosed in a case that is capable of withstanding an explosion of a specific gas or vapor that may occur when it and of preventing the ignition of a specified gas or vapor surrounding the enclosure by sparks, flashes, or explosions of gas or vapors within, and that operates at such external temperatures that a surrounding flammable atmosphere will not be ignited thereby. Fire prevention note. For further information, see ANSI/UL 1203-1999 explosion-proof and dust ignition-proof electrical equipment for use in hazardous classified locations. Exposed as applied to live parts capable of being inadvertently touched or approached near than a safe distance by a person. It is applied to parts that are not suitably guarded, isolated, or insulated. Exposed is applied to wiring methods on or attached to the surface or behind panels designed to allow access. External operable, capable of being operable without exposing the operator to contact with live parts. Feeder, all circuit conductors between the service equipment, the source of a separately derived system or power supply source, and the final branch circuit over current device. Festoon lighting, a string of outdoor lights that is suspended between 2 points. Fitting, an accessory such as a lockout bushing or other part of a wiring system that is intended primarily to perform a mechanical rather than an electrical function. Garage, a building or a portion of a building in which one or more self-propelled vehicles can be kept for use, sale, storage, rental, repair, exhibition, or demonstration purposes. That's it for this section. We will pick up on the next section with ground.